Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we've got new knit hats. These things just showed up. They are made in the USA, and I'm very excited about them. We had talked to the company that produces our All Day Ruckoff hats about something for winter. They suggested these. I wasn't really sold on them. They're 100% acrylic, and they have a thin slit liner on the inside to keep you warm. And I just didn't really know how well that would hold up to an event. So I had them send over a sample, which was this one. I took this through two Ruckoff events, and it still looks great. I'm happy with how it turned out. I ran it through the dryer, which may or may not have been a good idea, because it has a little bit of fuzzing on the top now compared to the brand new ones. But overall, was really happy with them. So placed an order. We've got this olive heather color, which has got a 3" by 2" Velcro area with the ADR logo in it. Then we've got a black, which also has the same Velcro spot on it. As I mentioned, these hats are made in the USA by the same company that does our ripstop cotton hats. Those ones have been really popular, and hopefully you guys enjoy these ones as well. This hat, after two Grow Tough events, it almost looks brand new, besides the fact that you can tell it kind of went through the dryer. One thing to note is that it did shrink just a little bit, and when you're dealing with Velcro, the Velcro does not shrink, the hat does. So you can get this little arch effect right there, but when you've got it on your head, you really don't notice it because your head also has an arc to it. So it's not that big of a deal. And I'm pretty sure this wouldn't have happened had I not thrown them through the dryer on high. They're available right now in the All Day Ruckoff store. Link in the description. Hopefully you enjoy these hats. I had a ton of fun with this one, obviously from two Grow Tough events. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Any questions about the hats, leave a comment, and I'll absolutely get to it. Don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive, and drink hard, ruck harder.